everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and in this video I would like to show you the Q3 financial result from the oil company BP. And when I went through it, this was my key takeaways from this video. So they made 2.3 billion profit, which was down from 2.8 billion from the last quarter. They say it's because the weakening oil prices, but this was slightly offset with the higher gas prices in this quarter. The other key takeaway as a dividend investor for me was that they will pay 8 cents dividend this quarter, and they also used 1.7 billion for the share buybacks, and the last quarter they used also 1.7 billion. Yeah, another key takeaway is on this slide. So they have now debt 24 billion, which is slightly up from the previous quarter, but they have a credit rating. And if we look on Yahoo Finance and we see this free cash flow, which is all over the place because the oil can be quite cyclical, as we see here. So after the start of the war in the Ukraine, the oil prices escalate, as we all know, and now they are going lower with this zigzag pattern. But if we look at the free cash flow, 2.5 billion, 4.6, 1.2, 5.1, and if we compare it to debt of 24 billion, they can easily afford this debt, and that's why they have also a credit rating. In my mind, they pay a dividend of 8 cents per share, and this dividend is sustainable up to $40 per barrel, and they will increase the dividend if the oil prices stay above $60. So if we look back on the crude oil prices, which are now around $70, this is very affordable dividend, and it's like around 25% of the free cash flow, of the current free cash flow, if I remember it correctly. They are investing in the new oil projects, but also transitioning to more renewable energies. So they would like to position themselves in the future as a energy company and not the oil company. Although I think we have a long way to go and oil consumption will increase in the future. Although I believe, because the news from the OPEC that they want to increase their production and drive prices somewhere around $50 per barrel, I believe in the short term we can see $50 prices. But because all these geopolitical tensions, what are unfortunately happening in this world, I think if the oil prices reach $50 per barrel, it wouldn't stay long there, and world consumption of energy worldwide is growing. So I think now it's a great position. Now it's a great time to buy some oil companies. I opened small position in BP in summer, and like 1 month ago I add to my position, and I will like to add more. I think in the short term oil prices will fall, so I wait with the next purchase, maybe 1 month or so, and then we will see. But I would like to buy more of the BP. Yeah, additionally to this, they are expected they are expecting also that the oil prices will go lower in the Q4 quarter. Tomorrow there is earnings call from the Chevron and from the Exxon. I would like to update you also on this because I also opened small position with these companies, and the last week was earnings call from the Austrian company OMV, where I also own some share, and I would like to update you also on this one. So that's it for my first video. So if you like it, please leave me a comment with a feedback, and see you next time.